My name is Muhammad NABIL bin Muhammad TARMIZI. My metric number is 10DLS21F1001.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is AFIFFUDDIN bin ABDUL. My metric number is 10 DLS 21F1003.
Assalamualaikum. My name is MAISARAH binti Abdul Hamid. Metric number 10DLS21F1005.
Today I'm going to present to you about what is drone. Drone sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicle, also known as UAV. Carry out tasks to the range from the mundane to the ultra dangerous. This robot-like aircraft can be found rescuing avalanche victims, as well as dropping off of grocery to your doorstep and almost everywhere in between.
Next, we continue with the discussion about drones. Drones have two basic functions, which are fly mode and navigation. To fly, drone must have a power source such as battery or fuel. They also have rotors, propellers, and a frame. The following are general components of a drone: flight controller, GPS module, batteries, antenna, and electronic speed controller, which control a motor speed and directions. There are numerous types of drones available, and each one has unique features and functionality. For example, drone according to the number of propellers. First is flies. This form of drone has 3 arms. It typically has a T shape. This arrangement allows drones to achieve better stability and fly smoothly. Other is hexacopters, have excellent features like the stability they have when flying, because if one of their engines fails, they can still stabilize the machine with 5 other engines to help it land safely. Next is drone according to their application. The application of the drone can have quite wide, but it depends on the drone users. For example, drone for beginners. For beginners, drones are often the least expensive drone and are used to train new pilots. Next is drone for racing. Carbon fiber is one of the strong yet lightweight material used to make this drone. It also depends on having a powerful engine that enables them to go at speed of up to 200 km per hour. Following are importance of drone. First is infrastructure. Drones are used their robots features to conduct ground inspection and observation activity from air surveillance and monitoring. By using a drone, it can done the test perfectly. For example, drones' high-resolution camera and sensor enable them to move in remote place where human interest is forbidden. Drone can also spot fractures and other problematic situations. A timely inspection for maintaining public infrastructure using drone features save money, time, and effort. Second is agriculture. Drones can fundamentally be used to monitor crops and fields. Drones are used to spray crops with fertilizer and insecticides in an effort to nurture them into a healthy harvest. Drones are constantly improving their performance and efficiency. Third is law enforcement. UAV can be used by law enforcement and military units to spy on and monitor enemies. They can immediately identify specific for warning signal in advance thanks to their high sensitivity camera and sensor. Last is disaster responses. Drones and UAVs are used to monitor and survey disaster sites and areas from the air. Drone can also transport medical supplies and emergency equipment to injured and suffering individuals. Here are the challenges that drones face. First is hijacking. Communication between drones and remote controller are frequently encrypted. Small commercial drones often rely on the existing encrypted communication methods, which are relatively easy to hijack. Second is identification. Public safety can be significantly affected by just one person using a drone illegally, especially close to the important infrastructure like airport and nuclear power plant. Third is privacy. Unmanned aerial vehicles (UAV) are capable of gathering a lot of information. The public may firstly see this data collection as intrasite, almost like they are being spied on. Federal legislation has been proposed as a result of this privacy issue. Fourth is complaints issues. In Malaysia, all matters relating to aircraft are managed by CAAM. First is limitation on the flying past of drone. For example, area where such a hospital, fire station and crime site. The last one is also flight are only allowed throughout the day.
Next is suggestion of improvements drone. First, regulation. A lot of details still need to be worked out. Despite some early research is defining drone law, it will be challenges to create law that encourage innovation while limiting invasion of privacy and use of airspace. Next, automating drone. Flight pattern bring with a variety of new difficulty, such as figure out how to avoid barriers and making sure that two drones don't clash. Next, cost efficiency. Drones are really economical right now. A functional consumer model can be purchased for a few $100, but the drone need to businesses to invest in systems and technologies that will change people's lives, will cost several $1,000s each. Next, public acceptance. Drones are conjured significant public excitement, but consumers don't yet hold complete confidence in the future of this technology. More people need to embrace drones in society. Company and organization is such less willing to utilize drones if customers are afraid of them being used to inspect their property. Next, the conclusion. Drones have two basic functions, which are flight mode and navigation. There are numerous types of drones available, and each one has unique features and functionalities. It also benefits to public sector, and all matters relating to aircraft like drones are under Civil Aviation Authorities Malaysia (CAAM). That's all. Thank you.